Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you the building blocks feature of Microsoft Word. So this could be used to add text to your documents that you commonly use. So rather than having to type it over and over again, you could just use this shortcut to have it automatically added. Alright, so let's say we want to make one for this address here. So once you type it the first time, you just need to highlight it, then press Alt F3 on your keyboard. So it will then bring up the building block box here, and then you need to type in a name. It'll give you a name based on what it sees here, but I'm going to change this to address. I'll just make it add to make it even shorter, and we're going to keep everything else the same. It saves it in the normal.dotm file, so we'll click OK. So now, to use it, let's say you want to add the address, just type in ADD and press F3 on the keyboard. You don't have to press Alt. You only have to use Alt when you're creating the building block, not when you're using it. So I just typed in ADD, F3, and there it is. Now we can do it for this longer one here. So Alt F3. So this is a confidentiality sentence, so we'll call this conf. And then we'll go down here, type in conf, F3, and it adds it right to it. Simple as that. Alright, so like I said, if you have some text that you're constantly typing in and you don't want to keep on typing it in manually, you could just create one of these building blocks and just have a little keyboard shortcut and then use it whenever needed. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.